Hey everyone, today we will learn how we can have lists in HTML, order, unorder list, and description list. Let's dive into the code. Okay everyone, in HTML we have three kinds of lists. One is unorder list, second one order list, and the third one is description list. Let's discuss each of them by having examples. The first one is unorder list, so I will have an h4. Shopping, let's have shopping lists. Shopping lists, and here you open the tag and you write ul an order list, and you close the tag, so it's gonna be closed. And for each ul you should have li, which is transfer list. For each an order list you should have a list and the items for that. So I will write here meat, and I will just copy paste that. I will write here pasta, and let's have fruits. If I refresh my browser, you see that this is the list for the shopping. If I zoom in, shopping list, and unordered list is, as you see, that we have some bullet points and we do not have any number, any prioritizing anything. So it is ideal for this kind of list that you do not, it doesn't matter for you which one happens first. It is for unorder. Unorder means it is not in order. The second one is order list. So again you open the tag, you write ol order list, and then you close it. Then for each of them you should have the item li for list. Then I write so it's gonna be, let's have a title for this first. To-do list, the things that I should do in a day. So first of all, have breakfast, and if I refresh the page, you see this one has a number. It means that it should happen in order. Let's copy and paste it. So after having breakfast, go to work, then go to gym and sleep. So you see that the unordered list you have only bullet points, but in order list you have the numbers which is in order. So it should happens order by order, one by one. Then the next one is description list. It is mostly used for when you are describing a term. For example, when you have like some bullet points, or when you have the title, like a title, then you want to describe it in details. So you start it with again dl, it stands for description list. Then you close the tag, and for each dl you should have two elements, dt, which stands for description term. So if you have it, for example, I want to talk about html here. My first list title is html, and let's have the next one. So for the next one I want to have css, and for each dt you should have dd, which is transfer description definition. For example, for each for html I write hypertext language. If I refresh the page, you see that it does not have bullet points, or it does not have numbers. It is just like a title. Then you have the description here. Now it takes time if I give you information, written information here. So I just write lorem, and you see that this description refers to this title, but this is not a title, it is a list. It is the description term. Then for the css, again you have dd, and you write your description about this term. And let's have a title for this one as well. So I will write here description list, It's all about the lists in HTML, and you can have list inside list as well. For example, here inside this an order list, if I talk about the fruits, which fruits I'm gonna buy, so again I will open an order list, and inside this I will write my items. So I will buy apple, then I will copy it multiple times, orange and banana. So as you see that you can have a list inside the list as well. That is like the sub list that you have in your list. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next one.